Nambi Narayanan. I did my BE Engineering Mechanical background from a prestigious college from Tamil Nadu. After that, I worked in St. Gobain for 2.5 years, post which I am doing my management studies in IIM Nagpur. This journey has been a very long journey, through which I have completed CAT and got a very good percentile of 98.96, after which I got selected into this prestigious institute. For my CAT preparation, I followed some certain strategies to cope up with the exam as well as to attain certain percentile marks that I targeted. So first of them is, first target always the strongest part of the three areas in the CAT exam, that is DILR, via vocabulary as well as quants. My strong area was quants, so I focused on that first. Even in that, I covered those topics which are strongest to me, which comes easily to me, and followed up with that, I made a schedule to follow up with the weaker parts that I'm not strong in. After that, I covered the weaker sections, which will be DILR for me, and the third will be vocabulary. So I ticked each one off one by one. Also make sure that you don't give away one section completely, because in CAT, each section has a weightage and sectional weightage matters. Followed by that, my strategy for weekly preparation is that my working hours were 8 hours per day, post which I might have 2 hours of work. So I dedicated evening 2 hours dedicatedly for CAT preparation every day during the weekdays, and weekends I did mock CAT exams and all other preparation that is necessary to cover up the week. All catch-ups I did on that time. So this is how I prepared for CAT. Just before the exam, this last week is very crucial. Remember that even though you prepared for 1 year, it is very important to perform on the day which matters. So do not stress yourself out during this last week. Remember to catch up on those topics that you already covered. Maybe write notes and just go through those notes. Don't make any hard-pressed preparations at the last minute. So this really matters, because on the D-Day, if you are stressed out or if something else happens, then the whole exam is lost. So students, this is the last stretch of the run. All the best for your exams. Be calm, be relaxed, do well. Hoping to see you here soon.